Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best spy gadgets of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1: Bluetooth Beanie Hat with Light. The Bluetooth Beanie Hat with Light is a versatile and innovative accessory that combines the functionality of a beanie hat with the convenience of Bluetooth technology and built-in LED lights. Designed for both men and women, this hat features integrated stereo speakers and a microphone, allowing users to enjoy hands-free calling and music playback directly from their hat. The inclusion of Bluetooth connectivity means that users can easily pair their hat with their smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled devices, providing seamless access to their favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks while on the go. Additionally, the built-in microphone enables users to take calls without having to remove their hat, adding an extra layer of convenience for busy individuals. One of the standout features of this Bluetooth beanie hat is the built-in LED lights, which provide added visibility and illumination in low light conditions. Whether out for a nighttime jog or working in dimly lit environments, users can rely on the integrated offers practical functionality, but also serves as a thoughtful and tech-savvy gift option for friends, family, or colleagues. With its stylish design, comfortable fit, and array of useful features, the Bluetooth Beanie Hat with Light is sure to be a hit among those who appreciate both fashion and functionality. Product 2: Tracky GPS Tracker for Vehicles. Tracky GPS Tracker for Vehicles is a cutting-edge solution designed to provide real-time tracking for various assets, including cars, children, and valuable belongings. This GPS tracking device utilizes 4G LTE technology, ensuring reliable and efficient tracking capabilities. With Tracky, users can monitor the location of their vehicles or assets without any distance limitations, both within the United States and worldwide. One of the key features of Tracky is its compact and portable design, making it easy to attach to different objects. Its mini magnetic feature allows for discreet placement, ensuring that the tracker remains inconspicuous. This makes it ideal for tracking vehicles, ensuring peace of mind for owners concerned about theft or unauthorized use. To access the full range of features offered by Tracky GPS Tracker, users are required to subscribe to a service plan. This subscription model provides access to real-time tracking data, enabling users to monitor their assets remotely and receive instant notifications in case of any unusual activity. Overall, Tracky GPS Tracker for Vehicles offers a comprehensive solution for tracking vehicles, assets, and even children, utilizing advanced technology and a user-friendly design to provide reliable tracking capabilities, both locally and globally. Product 3: Hidden Spy Security Cameras. Hidden spy security cameras, such as the small wireless Wi-Fi camera described, are discrete surveillance devices designed to monitor indoor and outdoor spaces covertly. These cameras are often used for various purposes, including home security, monitoring pets, and keeping an eye on children or elderly family members. With their miniature size and inconspicuous appearance, they blend seamlessly into their surroundings, making them difficult to detect. Equipped with advanced technology, these cameras typically offer high-definition video quality, such as 1080p resolution, ensuring clear and detailed footage. They can be easily controlled and accessed remotely via smartphone applications, allowing users to view live streams, record videos, and even receive alerts for motion detection. The versatility of hidden spy security cameras makes them suitable for a wide range of applications. They can be installed discreetly in homes, offices, or other properties to deter theft, vandalism, or unauthorized access. Additionally, they serve as valuable tools for monitoring caregivers, ensuring the safety of loved ones, and keeping an eye on pets while away from home. Overall, hidden spy security cameras provide a discreet and effective means of enhancing security and surveillance, offering peace of mind to users who seek to protect their property and loved ones. Product 4: Product Name Night Vision Goggles. Night vision goggles are sophisticated optical devices designed to enhance visibility in low light or dark conditions, allowing users to see clearly during nighttime operations or in environments with limited illumination. The night vision goggles described, featuring 4K resolution, represent a cutting-edge advancement in this technology. Equipped with a 3-inch large screen, These binoculars provide users with a clear and detailed view of their surroundings. This large screen ensures comfortable viewing for extended periods without causing eye strain. Additionally, the goggles have the capability to capture both photos and videos, allowing users to document their observations for analysis or sharing purposes. The inclusion of a 32 GB memory card ensures ample storage space for saving captured media, enabling users to record significant moments without worrying about running out of storage capacity. Moreover, the goggles come with a rechargeable lithium battery, offering convenience and cost-effectiveness by eliminating the need for disposable batteries. These night vision goggles are ideal for a range of applications, including wildlife observation, surveillance, security, hunting, and outdoor activities. With their advanced features and high-resolution capabilities, they provide users with enhanced vision and clarity, even in the darkest conditions, making them a valuable tool for various professional and recreational pursuits. Product 5. Product name: Sergo Mini Hidden Spy Security Cameras. The Sergo Mini Hidden Spy Security Cameras, specifically the Spy Camera Pen 1080p model, represent a discreet and advanced surveillance solution in the market as of 2024. This upgraded version offers enhanced features for covert monitoring and security applications. With its compact size and inconspicuous design, the Sergo Mini Spy Camera Pen seamlessly blends into various environments, making it ideal for discrete surveillance needs. Despite its small form factor, it boasts full HD video recording capabilities, ensuring high-quality footage for capturing important moments or monitoring activities. One notable improvement in the upgraded 2024 version is the inclusion of a wide-angle lens, enabling a broader field of view for comprehensive coverage. This enhancement enhances the camera's effectiveness in capturing a wider range of scenes and details, enhancing its utility for surveillance purposes. Product 6. Product name: Stinger. Stinger is a leading manufacturer of automotive audio and entertainment systems, specializing in high-quality stereo replacements and multimedia interfaces for various vehicles. In the context of the above paragraph, Stinger's product specifically tailored for the Wrangler JK model stands out. The Stinger Wrangler JK Stereo Replacement HD Touchscreen Radio, model STH10JK, is designed to seamlessly integrate into Jeep Wrangler JK models from 2007 to 2018. This replacement unit features a high-definition touchscreen display that offers an intuitive interface for accessing various entertainment and connectivity features. One of the standout features of the Stinger system is its compatibility with popular smartphone integration platforms, such as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This allows drivers to easily connect their smartphones to the car's stereo system, enabling access to navigation, music, and messaging apps directly from the touchscreen display. Bluetooth connectivity, allowing drivers to make and receive calls safely while on the road. The system also includes dual USB ports, providing convenient options for charging devices and accessing media files. Installation of the Stinger STH10JK is made easier with the included all-in-one dash kit and interface, ensuring a seamless fit into the Wrangler JK's dashboard, without the need for extensive modification. Product 7. Product name: MLLead Flashlight Gloves. The MLLead Flashlight Gloves are a unique and innovative product, designed to provide hands-free illumination in various situations. These gloves feature built-in LED lights on the fingertips, allowing users to work or navigate in dark environments without the need for a traditional flashlight or headlamp. Designed as a practical solution for a range of activities such as repairing, fishing, camping, and more, these gloves are ideal for individuals who enjoy outdoor adventures or DE projects. They can also serve as a thoughtful gift for men, including dads, fathers, boyfriends, or husbands, particularly for occasions like Christmas, birthdays, or other special events. One of the standout features of these gloves is their versatility. Whether one is working on intricate repairs in dimly lit spaces, navigating through a dark campsite, or fishing during twilight hours, the LED lights provide convenient illumination directly at the